Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study physiology for BSc Nursing First Year, full guide. Start by mapping the syllabus and scheduling daily 45-minute focus study blocks with 10-minute active recall breaks. Use a two-step review method. Learn actively, then teach the concept aloud. Focus on core systems first, use diagrams, and practice past questions weekly. Keep sessions consistent, track progress with a simple checklist, and adjust time based on weak topics. Apply active learning techniques to boost retention and comprehension. Teach concepts aloud as if explaining to a classmate, and create labeled diagrams to redraw from memory. Use spaced repetition with brief daily reviews and schedule weekly cumulative practice. Simulate exam conditions with timed 20-minute quizzes and analyze errors immediately to fix gaps. Combine diagrams, verbal explanation, and question practice to build confident, exam-ready understanding of physiology topics. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more focused nursing study tips. Quick recommendation: Robot Face upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, voice control. It saves study time and keeps your desk tidy while you revise. Check the description for the link and other deals, and consider it a small study life upgrade. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Choose a small set of reliable resources and stick with them for consistency. Pick one primary textbook, a concise review book, and a few short videos for difficult topics. Create one-page summary sheets and use a rotating 7-day revision cycle so each system gets regular attention. Before exams, run through summaries and quick quizzes, prioritize weak areas, and keep a checklist to monitor progress and reduce last-minute panic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.